Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to do a special review because I received a package yesterday with the Trezor Wallet Model 1. So we are going to do a in-depth Trezor Wallet review, so stay tuned. Going to do a Trezor Wallet review in this video. But before we proceed, if you are going to do trading online, crypto trading, I know a great place where you can get started. Deposit $100 and you will get $50 bonus when you use my exact link in the description and in the comment section of this video. Okay, now we are going to do a unboxing of the Trezor wallet. I have already opened it, but I'm going to see what's inside. So at first glance, this is a very small device. Okay, this is the whole device, and if you see my hand, I have quite big hands, so you see it only weighs 12 grams. It's easy to use. You take your wallet and then you plug it in to your computer or into your mobile phone, whatever device you are going to use, and then you will be prompted with a welcome screen, and you need to go to the website Trezor. I think it's .io. Let's see. Yes, it's trezor.io/start, and then you will download the preferred software that you are going to use, okay? And then you will go through the process of creating the wallet, it's very important that you create a PIN and you write down the words on the paper that's included with the item, okay? That's very important, because if you lose this seed phrase, your money is gone, okay? So what I like about this, probably every device will include it, but you will get two papers with Trezor on the back, and on those you will be able to write down your 24-word seed phrase. So you need to store that in a very discreet but good place. And as many of you know, I lost my keys to one of the cars lately, and I had to look all over the house. I didn't find them, so make sure you do not hide it too good. If you have a safe, it's great putting it in your safe. For the wallet, this is a very small device. You can actually, if you have a keyring, you can actually have the keyring and put it on like so. It will fit, okay? So now we're diving straight into the basics of the actual wallet itself. So the price of this item is $69, and make sure you stick to the end of this video, because at the very end I will probably give some free perks to all of you. Okay, so cryptocurrencies, it has over 1,200 in total, and I think they will put more and more and more coins into this wallet at any time. Device compatibility, Windows Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Wallet compatibility, Exodus, MetaMask, Electrum, Mycelium, MyEther wallet, and more. So security is very important, and that's why I heard that they actually had a problem with someone trying to hack into their system. But if you created the wallet with your seed phrase and your up to 60 digits PIN, it would be very difficult to actually hack that device. And I'm sure they updated the security after that happened. Some people think it's Ledger that actually did this, and without any complaints about anything, I'm not saying they did. I'm just saying what I heard in another video, not to do any. I do not want any bad messages below this video. If you have any type of comments, leave them below. I'm glad to help everyone with their problems. So now we are diving straight into the actual software, and we are now going to look at how we can use this device. So this is something you would really want to pay close attention to. Okay, so now we are actually inside the wallet. So the first thing that will come up is you will be prompted on the device to type your PIN. It's very important that you create a PIN, okay? And then you will see numbers on the screen on your Trezor wallet, and these numbers will change up. And then you will type the wallet address, and if you've done this right when setting it up, you will also have a hidden wallet passphrase, so you will need to type your password 2 times and then click access hidden wallet. And now we are going to follow the on screen. So now recess hidden wallet, and then you have to confirm it on the actual device itself, like so. And then you will come into the, I just transferred a few dollars into this account to test it out. And as you see, the Bitcoin price is quite good. And one thing I want to show you is when you were going to create, let's say you want to have a coin that's on the Ethereum network, you will need to click on the Ethereum, and then you will need to click on where it says tokens on top here, and then you will create a token, and you need to paste token address. The best place to actually find this token address is just going to CoinMarketCap and using the ERC20 token address that's on there. It usually is the right one. If not, you can go into the actual coin itself, and on their website it usually is, but make sure it's the right coin address. And then click add token. So they have several different types of tokens here, and you can activate more tokens below. So I like this wallet. It's easy, it's secure, and most importantly, my funds will not be stolen when I have them here. And do not try to come on my door and try to get out my crypto, because it's locked in a safe, and I'm quite strong actually. No, I'm just kidding. Hope you like this Trezor Wallet review. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates. I create videos every single day on Bitcoin and new crypto review projects and crypto tips on how to trade, how to buy crypto, etc. But for the free perk everyone was asking about, I have a link below this video for Bitflex. you can deposit $100 and you get $50 for free. Deposit bonus when you use my link, but you have to use that exact link, okay? That's very important. You cannot just go to bitflex.com and use the ordinary link. You have to use my link to get that bonus, okay? So use it today. Have a great day. Hope you like this Trezor Wallet review. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, share this video with your friends. To the next time, have a great day. Talk soon.